A blessed day to all. Today, we are here to tackle one of the most popularized topic here in the Philippines. That death penalty should be imposed again here in the Philippines. A brief history about death penalty. Death penalty has been the capital punishment in the criminal justice system of the Philippines ever since the beginning of time. The most common execution style was the using of carabao when they tie their hands here and their legs, then they pull it. In the Spanish period, it was also implemented to the use of garrote and firing squad. During the American times, it was used also firing squad. Japanese, the beheading. Until the time it came from Corazon Aquino, wherein death penalty was abolished. Because of Article 3, Section 1, no person shall be deprived of life. Then come time of FBR, it was imposed again. And then the time of Arab. In the time of Noria Macapagal Arroyo, it was abolished. And now it is a hot topic now in the Philippines due to the increasing crime rate happening now. Now, here are the rules. Each person shall be given 1 to 3 minutes to speak in front. They can rebut in the form of a sentence, in the form of a question. We shall start with the affirming side, headed by Mr. Matt D. Mr. Matt D, you can speak.
Ano ba? Samahan? Dapat dapat ibalik muli ang death penalty kasi sa tingin ko isang paraan yung para ipakita na dapat Pas muna ako.